Hi guys, it's Laura again, and in today's ClickFix I'm going to be showing you how to use one of our conditional shortcodes, in this case EField, and how you can use it on your Ontraport pages.
So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io, and once you log in into your account, you are going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page, and the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial.
So I'm in the Ontraport page builder, and as you can see here I have a very simple form with 4 fields, and what I'm going to be doing is using the shortcode to hide a certain field, in this case the state field. So if the user doesn't click on United States when they choose their country, then the state field is going to remain hidden and it's going to be filled with my state is not listed. And if they do click on United States, then the state field is going to be displayed and they can then choose a state from that list. So I'm going to be showing you how it works. Here I have the publish page, and the state field is not displayed at the beginning, and if they choose another country like Canada for example, then the state field remains hidden. But if they choose United States, then they can go ahead and choose a state from the list.
You can use the EField shortcode for different things. For example, if you have a survey that has 2 different paths, let's say one path for men and one path for women, then you can divide the questions with the shortcode based on the gender that the user chooses. That's everything that I wanted to show you today, guys. I hope that you find it useful, and remember that the links to the ClickFix library and the ClickFix shortcodes are in the description. Thanks for watching.